Hey there, urban explorers. Welcome back to Home Spot, where we turn small spaces into big possibilities. Today, we're diving into the world of urban balcony gardens, a place where tiny spaces meet big jungle vibes. Whether you live in a bustling city or just have limited outdoor space, this video is your ultimate guide to transforming your balcony into a lush, green oasis. From clever plant choices to creative DIY ideas, we'll cover everything you need to know to bring nature closer to home. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get growing. Even the tiniest balcony can become a green haven if you use smart design strategies. Start by assessing your space, measure it, note sunlight patterns, and identify dead zones. With this knowledge, you can plan how to arrange plants efficiently. This foundation sets the stage for creating an urban jungle. Once you've mapped out your space, think about layering textures and colors. Mix tall plants like palms with trailing vines such as pothos or ivy. The goal is to mimic nature's randomness while keeping it organized. This layered approach not only looks stunning but also maximizes vertical space effectively. Not all plants thrive in small spaces, so choose wisely. Opt for compact varieties like snake plants, peace lilies, or succulents that require minimal care. These plants are perfect for beginners and adapt well to urban environments. By selecting the right flora, you ensure your garden remains vibrant year-round. If floor space is tight, go vertical. Install shelves, wall planters, or even repurpose old pallets to create living walls. Vertical gardening adds depth and dimension to your balcony, making it feel larger than it actually is. Plus, it's a creative way to display more plants without overcrowding. Get crafty with your containers. Upcycle tin cans, mason jars, or wooden crates to hold your plants. Not only does this save money, but it also gives your garden a personal touch. Unique planters add character and charm, turning your balcony into a reflection of your personality. For busy city dwellers, low-maintenance plants are lifesavers. ZZ plants, cacti, and air plants need little water and thrive indoors. Incorporating these into your design ensures your garden stays lush even when life gets hectic. They're practical yet stylish additions to any urban oasis. Layering creates visual interest and mimics natural ecosystems. Place taller plants at the back, medium-sized ones in the middle, and trailing varieties at the front. This technique draws the eye upward and makes the space feel fuller. It's a simple trick that instantly elevates your garden's aesthetic. Urban balconies often face challenges like limited sunlight due to surrounding buildings. To combat this, use reflective surfaces or grow lights to supplement natural light. Understanding your balcony's lighting conditions helps you select plants that will flourish despite the shadows. Privacy is key in dense urban areas. Use tall bamboo, hedging plants, or trellises covered in climbing vines to block unwanted views. This green screen not only shields you from neighbors, but also enhances the serene atmosphere of your private jungle retreat. Why not make your garden functional? Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary grow easily in pots and provide fresh ingredients for cooking. Adding edible plants not only benefits your meals, but also connects you closer to nature, enhancing the overall experience of gardening. Consistent watering can be tricky with packed schedules. Invest in self-watering pots or set up a drip irrigation system for convenience. Alternatively, group plants with similar water needs together to simplify maintenance. Smart watering solutions keep your plants healthy without extra effort. Trellises and hanging baskets are game changers for small balconies. Train climbing plants like jasmine or passion flower onto trellises and suspend colorful blooms in hanging baskets. These methods free up floor space while adding height and drama to your garden design. Combine tropical statement pieces like monstera or bird of paradise with hardy native plants. This mix offers both exotic flair and resilience against local weather conditions. Striking this balance ensures your garden thrives while maintaining its unique personality. A balcony isn't just for plants, it's a place to relax. Add a small chair, cushioned bench, or hammock surrounded by your favorite greens. A cozy seating area invites you to unwind and enjoy the fruits of your labor amidst the calming ambience of your urban jungle. Every season brings new challenges. In summer, protect delicate plants from intense heat. In winter, bring frost-sensitive species indoors. Regular pruning and fertilizing keep your garden thriving year-round. Adapting to seasonal changes keeps your balcony looking fresh no matter the weather. Enhance your garden's charm with decorative elements. String fairy lights across railings or hang wind chimes for soothing sounds. Personal touches like artwork or colorful rugs tie everything together, transforming your balcony into a magical escape. High-rise balconies often battle strong winds. Secure lightweight pots with weights and opt for sturdy plants like lavender or ornamental grasses. Wind-resistant designs ensure your garden stays intact during gusty days, preserving its beauty and functionality. Composting reduces waste and enriches soil, even in small spaces. Use a compact bin or worm farm to recycle kitchen scraps. Nutrient-rich compost boosts plant health naturally, promoting sustainable practices within your urban garden. Invite wildlife by planting nectar-rich flowers like marigolds or sunflowers. Add a bird bath or shallow dish of water to encourage visits. Watching birds and butterflies flit around your balcony adds life and joy to your urban sanctuary. You don't need to break the bank to create a stunning garden. Propagate cuttings from friends' plants, shop at discount nurseries, or join community swaps. Starting small and growing gradually allows you to build your dream balcony jungle affordably and sustainably. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered how to maximize small spaces, choose the right plants, and even add personal touches like fairy lights and edible greens. Remember, no matter how small your balcony is, it can still become a thriving jungle retreat with a little creativity and care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own balcony garden journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening!